Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some brief information, a general overview, and my first impressions on this Brandt Beef all-natural pure beef tallow sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. There are a lot of things to love about Brandt beef tallow. Let me tell you some of the great things about it. So if you're shopping for beef tallow, you're probably very familiar with it, but if you're new to it, let me give you just a little bit of information. Beef tallow is the rendered beef fat that comes from a cow. So basically, it's the clean fat that once everything is melted down is left over. It feels a lot like butter, but it's actually beef fat. So it's pure, it's clean, and it has a great savory flavor to it. It does have a lot of uses. Baking and cooking is one of them. You can also season cast iron with it. So it is great in the kitchen for a lot of different things. Also, beef tallow is used a lot in skincare, for skin moisturizing, for salves, for hand creams and balms and all of those kind of things. It's great for making soaps and candles and for conditioning leather. And because of the rendering process, it is extraordinarily stable. It doesn't spoil very easily or very quickly. So let's take a look at this while I am opening it up for the very first time. As you can see, it is white as snow. It is pure, it is clean, it is silky, and as I said, it is 100% one ingredient beef tallow. I am so excited to have it and be able to use it for all of our projects. So there are a lot of great uses for beef tallow, but why Brandt beef? So to start with, it has one ingredient, beef tallow, and that is very important, especially when it comes to making hand creams and soaps and things like that. You don't want any other ingredients messing up your recipe, so a single ingredient source is where you want to go. The thing that stands out the most about Brandt to me is how they produce their beef tallow. This is a family-owned company. Since 1945, they have been in California raising their own livestock, making their own products sustainably. So they care about the environment, they care about how they produce their tallow. No added hormones, no added antibiotics, nothing but beef tallow. It can stay up to 9 months without refrigeration. It is smooth, it is silky, it is the highest quality beef tallow available. If you're looking for beef tallow for your next project, whatever it is, whether it's hair and skincare or cooking or whatever, I highly recommend that you give Brandt Beef a look. Sustainably created, ethically created, the highest quality ingredients. Give it a look. It works for me and my family. Maybe it'll work for you as well.